Hello everyone, I'm Ken Nichiota from Kenix System. In this video, I hope to give you an overview of a one-chip IC that enables control of an LCD through a serial interface. I'm sure you have all seen completed LCD units that are controlled by a serial interface, yes, the ones with drawing software. There are a variety of units from low-cost units to the more expensive higher-spec units, known as panel computer that connect with the sequencer. Here at Kenix System, we have successfully achieved control of LCDs with a one-chip IC, so here it is. Let's start by looking at this LED demo. There is only a single 8-pin CPU attached. These buttons change the brightness. These buttons change the flashing speed. We believe this 8-pin microcomputer is just enough to serve such a simple device. The built-in programming ROM has only 4 kilobytes and it is very cheap to buy. Believe it or not, I bought 6 of these for the same as a cup of coffee. Do you think this is possible to replace these 4 buttons with input from a touch panel LCD? Let me demonstrate how to make such a thing possible. Instead of these switches, let's connect a serial port through this connector. I will now explain very carefully so that you understand fully what is going on here. Are you ready? Look, the 8-pin CPU is sending instruction to the LCD unit to produce images like these lines, buttons, dots, and so on. The LCD didn't make these images. Here, I press this button. The input information is returned to the 8-pin CPU from the LCD unit, and the CPU determines its next action according to the positional information. Okay. I'll now press the button that increases the flashing speed. See, the instruction is immediately sent to the CPU so that the CPU changes the speed of flashing LED accordingly. What do you think? Can you believe that this is all done by a single 4 kilobyte PROM microcomputer? Now I have another surprise for you. This time we'll use a color LEDs. Let me show you how to activate it with another microcomputer that has a few more pins. This display panel can independently control each of the RGB elements of the tricolor LEDs. Now let's move this bar. What do you see? The microcomputer registers the positional information of the touch panel and then controls the LED accordingly. It has a good response, doesn't it? This is all possible via RS232C control. Next, we change the display to one that produces a screen that has been previously color-coded via instruction from the microcomputer. When you press a particular color position, it displays in the corresponding color. How's that? Very quick response, don't you think? I'll reiterate by saying this is all controlled via RS232C. Let me say one more thing. Completed LCD units such as this have existed for a long time now. We sell these units when there is demand, but that is not our main objective. As a prominent manufacturer of LCD controllers, we continuously provide solutions for problems such as LCD product discontinuance and frequently occurring specification changes. As you can see here, the one-chip LCD controller can do everything. The only required external device is static RAM for use as a frame buffer. With this setup, you can use the basic graphic function as well as 16-dot Chinese character fonts and a touch panel. PWM output is also provided for LED backlight brightness control. In addition, by adding a low-cost serial flash memory device according to your needs, you can make use of a higher variety of images, 24-dot Chinese character fonts, and other functionalities. What's more, by directly connecting a micro SD card to this LCD controller, as many as 8,000 bitmap images can be chosen with a simple command. Well, this brings me to the end of the demonstration for this, the first line of our new smart LCDC products. One more thing. Since our company has a history of taking custom orders for LCD controllers that connect directly to a bus, we are proud to offer custom orders for this smart LCDC. For more information, please take a look at our website at www.kenic.co.jp/w, where you can find the latest news regarding our products. Thank you all for your attention. Bye!